Hi guys, I am Wasim Safdar. Welcome to part 2 of Designing Login UI Flutter tutorial. In last tutorial, I discussed with you how to design a splash screen programmatically, and now you can see in this screenshot that we have sign in screen where we have a register button and then we have login into your account button. So in this tutorial we will discuss how to design this sign-in screen, how to design round buttons and a simple button. So we will also discuss how we can uh, style different kind of text. In last tutorial, I forgot one thing. I told you that in splash screen we are using a stateful widget instead of a stateless widget. The reason we are using stateful widget in a splash screen, even we are not user is not interacting with splash screen, is that because we need to use a initialize state. So initialize state we can only use in stateful widget, and then we need to run a timer so that we can show next screen. That's why uh, I use stateful widget in that. So in this screen, actually, we are user is interacting with this screen, but we are not changing anything in this screen. Therefore, I will use stateless widget in this screen, in sign-in screen. So let's see how we can start. And so first, I will go to sign-in screen, and yeah. So this is the sign-in screen. Last time we just show I just showed you sign-in text, but now what we need to do is that we have an image, we have two texts, then we have a register button and login your to your account button. So first we need to uh, uh, return a container in body, so it's okay, and then we have a column, so column is still okay. So in that column we need to put this image. So I will just remove this text widget that I was previously using. So I need to remove this text. Yeah. So now I need to use image dot assess, and then name of the image. So this image is actually, sorry. So which image we need to use now is, I think, worker logo we need to use. No, not worker logo. Uh, Group success. So I think I forgot to put that image. So yes, guys. So I added another image, that is employee logo, in my application, and after that I will go to sign in screen, and I will add this here. Similarly, we have assets folder, assets slash images slash employee dot png. So now guys, if you can see this that if you can see here in a screenshot that this image has a certain size, and also, yeah, so maybe first we can add a padding. Padding is the space between your widgets and your the container. So that is the padding. So first we will add a padding so that we have some space, and then I will try to adjust its size according to this screen. So let's see where we need to add a padding. So because we have a column here, so we can add a padding here. Yes. So let's say we have, so it's a edge insert. So it's a edge. Okay, maybe it's with capital H dot insert, no, H insert dot all. I think no, it's okay. Yeah. So I can add a padding of maybe 20 pixels, and then I can also make it constant so that every time if we build this widget, so this value remains constant. And now if now I have added this, so now if I can say that if this image, let's see, let's try to run this and see that what we will get. We need to change the image size or not. So after running this, I got this error, this piece, that I need to add this image in pubspec.yaml file also. So yeah, here I need to add this image. Yes. Now if I run this again, so guys, yeah, so we have an image, then we have a text, and then we have another text, and then we have a button that is Flat button. I think this button, flat button, is depreciated. So let's see what option Android Studio will give us. So yeah, so I think now we have a text button. So let's see. I think it's a text button. Yeah, button. So this is all we need to see what the result of what happened. Yeah, maybe it's because I was writing, and maybe I will just comment this to show you. I think it's because of this. Actually, hmm, let's see. So yeah, you see. So we have, after splash screen, we have the image, and we have image, but we need that image above, not in the middle. So now what we need to do is, I'll just uncomment this because I will just say this start. So main axis is start and cross axis is in the middle. So let's see again what is the result. Okay, so again, sorry, I need to uncomment this. I need to comment this. So let's see what we will get here. Yeah, so now we have the image in the start and cross axis. Yeah, it's in the center. So what I will do is that I will add a size box of height, size box, yeah, size box of height. So let's see the screenshot. So let's say it's 40 pixels. Yeah. So if I run it again and see, yeah, so maybe 60 pixels. So I will just again, I will hot reload it, and let's see what will happen. Yeah, so now it looks fine. So if we need some adjustment, we can do. My purpose is to uh, tell you how you can design UI in Flutter. So these things does not matter much. So I will uncomment this, and then we have a text that is, let's go, and then we have another text that is, we will help you assess any services you need. So it's a let's start, not let's go. We will help you with any services you need. Okay. And then we have a text button. So text button has a child, and yeah, so text button has a child, and then we can add a text widget as a child. So this is the text we need in text button, and then we also have we need a function that is, I think that is on press function. So on press function we need, so that when we will press that button, what will happen? So we have a text and on, yeah. So and then we have another text button. So we have a child, that is again text, and then we have on pressed, yes. So what we need in the text is that one is register and other one is log into your account. So we have here, we have register and then login into your account. Yes. So now we need some kind of formatting. We have an image, so we will also maybe give it a size. So we can give it a size of height, and maybe I will give it height of 400, and width of 450. Let's see, this is, we will check that if this is okay. So if it's not okay, we can change it. And then we have a text, so we need to give a style. So we have text style. So in text style, we what we need is that, because it's a black color, almost black, so it's a black color. And then size, so we have a font size, also family. So we have a, I will give it font family. So we quick send font family quick send, and then we have font size. Let's say font size is 40, and yeah, and then we can have a color black. So we have a black color. So maybe, yeah, black 45 or black 38. Okay, so I will give it black 38. And then we have yeah, we have a color, we have a size, we have font family, and then I can give it a weight because it's bold. So mm, bold always have a weight of 700. So uh, font weight is equal to 700. So it is, yeah, I think it's like this font. yeah, so these are the values that you can use. You can also use bold, or you can also the you can use. So I will use 700. So yeah, so this is what we, and then we have the same text, and here again I will use text text style, and I will just copy this so that I do not need to write it again. So what happens is what is the mistake here? Mm, this mistake is here. So it's text style. So text will not be a mistake. So yeah, yes. So we have, yeah, I forgot this. Yeah, so we have a style and text style, and then I will copy this, and then because now I can say it's 20, and because it's a gray, so I can see if I have a that kind of gray or not, or I need to write, because uh, yeah, so maybe I need to write this gray. It's colors uh, dot to, yeah, so from, so here because we use in splash screen gray color, so it's this one. So I will just copy the values here. Yeah, so and then the weight I can say 500. Yes, so we have a text, and also we need to add, just remember this, that we need to add, because we have images as, then we need to add a size box. So this time I can just say that it's 10, and then after this also I have a 10, and then again. So let's see, it's 10 or, oh yeah, so I can say that now it's 40, not 40, and then in this, in between two text again size of is 10. So I just, with Control Alt and L on Mac, you can format your code. So I just formatted it. So you can, yeah. So this is, guys, all we need. And let's see, I will just, because I added so many things, so I will just hot restart, and let's see what we will get. Let's see what we get. You can see, so the picture is in the middle, and we have very big text, and then this is a yellow line, and then so everything is mixed up. I will explain this to you one by one. So this is the way you actually code in Flutter. You do the steps, and then you can define your UI. So So what happens is that I will just remove this maybe because I think image size is okay. And then, yeah, I removed that and yes, yeah, and then just start again and see. Yeah, so now it's moved upward, and then you can see that this let's start is very big. So, and what size? So, just if I can see, so maybe I will give it 20, 20. Yeah, so just try it 20, and then this black is not very much black, so I will just say it to black 45. Okay, so I will say it black 54. So yeah, so again if I run it again and let's see. Yeah, so no, it's okay. So maybe little, maybe I will just make it black. So just black, and then this text, actually we have the text in the image, so we have this like services you need is, so maybe I can do this like I will make two text, uh, you can say text widgets, and divide this text. So yeah, and then I will give just a space of 10. Maybe I need a 5, but let's see. And then any service you need services. So I will just cut this, and I will even I think any services you need. So this, and then maybe I think I need text align, so that text, yeah, so I also need that text align, text align dot center. Yes, and the same thing I need here. Text align dot center, and yeah, we have font size. So this one is 20, so this one is, because this is smaller, let's see if so. Yeah, so maybe I will make it 15, 15 and 15. So let's, I run it again and see. You see, so now the space between them is too much. So this means that maybe I will remove this uh, and see what is the result if I remove this. And yeah, no, it's okay. So we will help you, okay? But still, I think that we need a big little. Yeah, so you see, it's bold, little bold. This gray text, and then just increase I font size little bit more. So let's start. I will say it to 25, and this to 20, and 20. Yes, and yes, if I see this, okay, yeah. So again, I will run it and see. Yeah, so now it looks better. We will help you with any. Okay, now I will go to this register button. So we have a text, so we can style the text similar to style. text style. So if I look at screenshot, so we have text, white text. So and the for okay, it's bold. So we have font weight is equal to font weight. So just maybe I will instead of I will just say bold, and then we have the size, font size. Font size is so maybe it's 30, and font size is 30, and then color uh, color is white, and yes, so the color is white, and mm, and text, yes, also if we need to align the text, so text align dot center. Hmm. Yes. So everything. Yeah. So no, I also need to change the color of the text button. So maybe I think I need to add here. Mm, color. So maybe this style. Yeah. So we also need to style the text button. So it's a style or text style. Okay. Yeah. So we have a style. So what we need to do is we need to make it round. Before that, in old Flutter we use shape, but now we use style to change the shape and different parameters. And this in this button style we have a shape parameter, and in the shape parameter we have a material property, material state property. Okay, material state property dot all, and then we have rounded rounded rectangular border, and here we have value. So value is rounded rectangular border, and here we have border radius mm, border radius dot circular. So let's see, it's 18. So and then uh, yeah, so we do not need border color, and so here maybe we have a color property or background color bound foreground color. Yeah, so background color. So background color. So we so guys, this background. So in this Flutter 2, we need to set the color with material state property. So all, and then in all we have a color here, color. So and then we have color and color dot. Yes, so I think yeah. So this is how we can set a color here, and for register I have dark blue color, that is this color 64 and 93, and opacity is 1. So this is how we can set a color, background color, and then also because we have white text, so I can say this is foreground color, foreground color. So this color is so, and this color I have here is white. So white, okay. And then yeah, so this setting I did with register button, and then also with login to your account button. So same thing, we need a style, we have a text, and then we have a, so first thing is we need a style for text style, text text style. And if I check this here, so we have similar text, I think we have a similar font also. Yeah, similar text and similar font. So just I will copy the text property, and I will paste here. Yeah, so the color, actually the text color we have now is, so it's a orange color. So it's the color I have. Actually, I wrote these values on paper so that I will use this while making a tutorial. So this is the orange color we have, and then yeah, so after that, because this has no boundaries, so I think this is for enough for it. And we have a text style, font size, and weight is bold. Yeah, so We do not need any boundary. Yeah. So, that's why I think we do not need button style. Yes. And maybe I will say it 5. So, guys, I will tell you what is happening here because this render flex overflow by 3.2 pixels. Actually, I know that how to fix it, but just so that you can understand the issue. That's why I just I do not update this. I'm writing a code like a person who is beginner, so that you can understand it easily. So you can see that we have a register button that is there's too much. Uh, yeah, it's too much. So let's see 20, and then we have font size dot bold is too bold. Yeah, also I have not set the font family, and that's why it's looking strange. Quicksand, yes, and then yeah. So now if I check this button, so yeah, this is text button. So now if I run this, and you can see still it's big, so I think it's 30 is too big, so I will just change it to 25. Yes, so yeah, now it looks fine, but we need a bigger button, and so let's see in the screenshot. Yeah, so maybe 20, and then we have a big button, so it's 20. Yeah, and 20, and then we I think we have the property here something size, minimum size. So we have a property minimum size. So minimum size is just if I say 20. So I think we cannot set a property like this. So maybe it is with material state property. So let me check material state property dot all, and we have here size, and then also size, size, yeah. So size, what parameter size? Yeah, double width and height. So let's say width is 300 and height is 20. Yes, yeah. So guys, and we have quicksand for size 20. Okay, yeah. And then we have this another text button, and we have this text button. Yes, and we have this text style, and also need a text align property, text align, text align dot center. Yes, yeah, we have text align property, and text button. Yes, so I hope now everything is okay, and font size maybe 25. So let's see what will happen. it is taking time. So let's see. Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's okay now. Yeah, I think. Yes, so log in into your account and yeah, so mm, I think we need to set phone family for this login into your account also, and maybe so yes, uh, I forgot to set font. No, no, not here. Yeah, in text style font family we have quick send and yeah 20, so they both have same font size. Yes, and yeah, so let's see what we will have now. Yeah, so you can see that now it looks almost similar to the screenshot we have. Um, so guys, after this, um, I need to design a register screen. So register screen is this. This is the screen now we need to design. And in this you can see that this box we have rounded corners, and then we have text fields, 4 text fields. So in this yeah, and then we also have a this back button. So all these things uh, you will learn uh, when I design this screen. You will also learn how we can use text form fields, text form field, so that when user enters something in these text forms, we will retrieve the data from here. And then also we have a sign-in screen that is similar to this. So we have rounded corners, text form fields, and buttons. So all these things we are going to design now. So let's see, first what we need to do is actually, so register screen is similar like we were creating account. So what I will do, I will just refactor this and change the name to sign in screen here. Yes, and I will just rename it to not yeah, we have sign in screen. So first was, so um, you can say login screen. Okay, login screen. So guys, let's go to register screen. I will declare a class register screen. So extends. So let's say stateful widget, because so stateful widget. I will tell you why I am declare a stateful widget. Even we are using text form fields where we need to retrieve data, so we need to interact with text form fields. But let's see, because this is how we actually I will divide the screen in two widgets. So one is stateful widget and one is stateful widget because of the design of the screen. So, and then I will have this missing override function. So it will, what it will do, it will return a container widget. No, it's no, it will return because it will return a scaffold. Either it will return a scaffold or container widget. So let's see if it it will return a scaffold because it will cover whole screen, and then we have a body, and in body we have a container widget. So just this is the basic structure, and then we have a child and text. So why there is a mistake? Body, container, scaffold. Oh, okay, yeah. So I told you, sorry, I told you that I declare a stateless widget. So not a stateful widget. So we need a stateless widget, and that's why actually. So no, yes, yeah. So I will copy this code and delete this method, and then paste here. Yeah. So guys, so let's say I will just write anything. Yeah. So yes, we also, because container, so I will just return in child I have a column. So, and then because yeah, and in column we have children, because in if I write directly in containers I will declare text, it will not look good. So we have a container, and then in container we have a column, and then I will, yeah. So here I can have a text. So just to show the screen, so I can say that this is create a new account here, here, and yes. So yeah, and we have a column. So, in column I can just main axis alignment. So main axis alignment dot main axis alignment dot center, and also, so this actually I am doing basic settings just so that I can show you the screen, so how we can navigate now to this screen, and then I will create a this screen one by one. So we have this, we have, yeah, main axis, and then we have a text. So yeah, so maybe I can use a text align here so that it will show in the middle. dot text. Okay, align dot. Yeah, and also style, text style, and just I will font size 20, and I will just format this. Yes. So now what? How can I move? I can navigate to this screen from sign-in screen. So first, I need what I will need to do is to I need to declare a name, and I will say yeah, route name. So, and how you can declare so this name of the route, you can say to move to this screen, is that you have a backslash, and then you can, like, this is register screen, so I will you can name it anything you want, so I will say register screen. So this is how you declare a route name. And then also, if you go to main, here after home you can have an option of routes. So here you actually need to write the routes. They are like the paths that you use in all your application. So for every screen, the screens you want to navigate, so you need a path. So they are similar to the path. So here you declare you can say the paths that you need to navigate to, or you navigate from to the other, from to that screen. Um, so so what? So yeah. So I will say that here, because now we have register screen. So I register screen dot route name. So guys, what I need to do is, yeah, it's like this, and then I have register screen. Yeah, register screen. So we added the route here, and then we will use that route to navigate to this register screen. So what I will do now is that I will go to sign in screen, and here I have a button that is register button, and we have on pressed. So here, when this button is pressed, so this function on press button, so I will use navigator dot
push named. Push named because now we have push name, push replacement. So I will use push named. We can also use push replacement name. So let's see. I will use first push named and see what we will get. We have a context and then we have a route name that is that route name is yeah, so we have a route name of register screen dot route name. So yes, so now we after pressing this register button it will push us to register screen. So let's see if I hard reload it and see what will happen. So yes, yeah, it will take little time. Guys, in this tutorial actually the way I am writing a tutorial, so there are small details that are very useful in learning that how you design a UI. So you can design very beautiful and very interactive Flutter UIs. Uh, so let's see. So now if I press this, here you see. So we go. It pushed us to a new screen. So if I use instead of push named, if I use push replacement name. So let's see what happens if I again restart it. And so push replacement is that window is actually replaced. So yeah, so the difference is that in one you navigate to another window in push named. So one screen is parent, so you push to another screen. Uh, but in push replacement you actually replace that screen with another screen, so you can use whatever you want. So if you want to save the memory you can use push replacement named. uh, so yeah, so guys, let's design this register screen. So first thing what we have in that register screen is the back button, so you can move back and then you can see here. So yeah, sorry, so you can see here that we have a back button, then text, and the other text, and then we have this blue area. So first I will create this and see. So we have a container, and then because this actually back button is present in the app bar, so we need to declare the app bar here. So in scaffold, so I declare the app bar, and then app bar has title yeah, so we have a app bar. Yeah, so app bar has title. So title, I can say it's empty. So that's because we do not need any title here. But it depends, because in my method I'm not using any title. So I can say maybe I can write create account. Okay, so it is okay. It depends on you. So and then also you can see that uh, because it is a transparent, so I can say that background color, so it matches with the screen. So I will say that it's color, so white. So yeah, so then we have this, and after that, then because we need to add a button now, you can say back button. So that you can add using leading, and then you need to add a icon button here. So icon button also has the parameters. You have icon, you have a icon where you can mm, and then you have icon, you can say icon, so and icon dot back, so it's a back arrow, so back arrow, back icon dot back, so it's a arrow, so icon dot arrow. So these are the defaults icon available, arrow, like is not shown. Mm, so arrow. So we have I can say that back arrow back iOS sharp. So yeah, so you can place any icon here for back, and then we have an icon button, and then after that we need to add the color. So not, so icon button color, so icon, so we have an icon, and then we need to add a color. So color is, just say that color dot, so I can say it's a black color. So yeah, I will just format this, and then yeah, so we have an icon button, we have icon color, and yes, also we need on press function. So that, so this so here we can, what we need to do, because we need to uh, go back or push to other screen. So either you can use uh, a navigator or route, or you can use an navigator.pop that closes the recent screen and go back to that screen. So I will use navigator.pop function. So I just say that I will just create a new um, function that to main page. Okay, and this function I will call here, and then I will declare this function here. I will just stop that to main page, and then yeah, that to main page. And here I can use navigator navigator dot pop. Yes, dot pop. You see it is taking build context, so I can use, because we have build context available here in the widget, so then I need to write here again build context. Yeah, so yeah, yeah, so this is the function we use, and here I need to call this function. Yeah, also we need a context here. Yes, so back to, yeah, back to, okay. So yeah, so this is how I declare. Yeah, after app, then what we have a text, and so we have a body and we have a container. So I can say that container has some size, or so let's see. We have a text create new account. So what kind of text we have here? Create a new account. So, okay, create a new account, and then same, we have a text style, we have a font size, and then we have a font family, that is quicksand, and then we have font weight, that is bold font weight dot, and after that, so we have a font weight, font family, font size, and also we need a color. So I will just formulate this, and then we have a color. So, so the color of this is, we have color, I need to declare my own color, that is blue, that we used previously. So this color, dark blue, or I will use this color. Yes, and then yeah, we have a color, we have a family, text style. Yeah, so yes, and then you can say that after this text we have another text. So just I will add a size box, that is of height, maybe I can say that 10, 10, and then another text, that is of gray color, provide us with your details to register. Okay, so I will just add, copy this text and add here, and just change a few parameters. So maybe this is because this text is big and bold, so I can say that it's 30, and then it's 20, and so everything is also because no, we do not need the text in the center. So yeah, so we need the text. uh, so let's say I will just remove this text line, and let's see where we get. And so, and also the colors, no, it's a gray color, so I can write here the color we need. So guys, so this is the color, and then, and also I can say that it's 500, so it's not too much bold. And yeah, so we have everything. Yeah, and also we need to change the text, that is, provide, please provide us with your details to register. So please provide us with your details to register. So guys, um, yeah, so there is some error. Where is the error? Different error. Okay, let's run. I think there is no error. Okay, so here it is showing. Yeah, so in this column, comma. Okay, yeah, here it is. Where is this? Yeah. So no guys, if I run this, and let's see what I will get here. So guys, it is very easy uh, to design UI in Flutter. So once you understand what kind of basic widgets you use, how to use buttons and how to navigate, then there are a lot of useful libraries. You can design wonderful widgets, wonderful UIs for your apps. And yeah, it's restarted, and let's see. Yeah. So guys, if I press register button, so you can see that now it's going down. And also we have here shadow. So why we have a shadow here? Let's resolve this problem. And if I go back, so it's not going back. So guys, I am finishing part 2 of this tutorial here. In part 3, in next tutorial, you will learn uh, why I am getting a black screen when I navigate back to old screen, and you will also learn how we can design a complete login screen. Thank you very much.